Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by proving ownership and meeting basic policies. This is why you add a privacy page and confirm ownership in Search Console. Once verified, sign into Google Adsense and submit your site domain so Adsense can review. Make sure to copy the verification meta tag or upload the HTML file Adsense gives you, and then return to the Adsense console to complete verification. These first actions unlock ad code generation and the review process that follows. Now you generate ad units and choose responsive formats to match desktop and mobile. That's how you maximize fill rate. Once done, place the ad code in your site templates or push it via Google Tag Manager. Make sure placements load after content to avoid layout shift. Next, configure channels and custom sizes to test performance and enable auto ads if you want automated coverage. Monitor RPM and CTR for each placement, then iterate on sizes, positions, and formats to improve revenue. Finish by entering payment details, tax info, and setting your payment threshold so earnings flow once you meet the minimum. Once AdSense approves your site, monitor the dashboard for impressions, earnings, and any policy flags. Respond immediately if flagged. If ads don't appear, clear cache, disable ad blockers, inspect console for errors, and verify your site isn't restricted by robots. TXT or content policy violations. Contact AdSense support with screenshots if unresolved. This final sweep secures revenue and compliance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.